What's up, everybody? I told you guys I would be right back, and I am literally same outfit, same everything. Like 2 seconds later, when I just did my last video, I hung up and I said, you know what? Let me just film another one right now. Otherwise, maybe I won't film. Like maybe I'll get like a little depressed, and I don't want to do that. So you guys, this is the BOXYCHARM. Look how cool this is. You get 10% off Tarte. Use code AprilBoxy. I'm doing a giveaway on this right now as we speak. So the only rules are you have to be subscribed to my channel. And please, if you can, if you have Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. You can leave a comment below that you're new, that you're not new. Just leave a comment below letting me know that you are subscribed, or leave a comment on my Instagram. That is it, and then I'll pick the winners. So this box is going to be for you guys, and it's not going to be one box. There's going to be 2 boxes, because I'll tell you why in a second. So I'm not going to open this stuff because this is for you guys. This is You Had Me at Hello palette from ColourPop. BOXYCHARM is like amazing, you guys. Like, let's be for real. For $21 a month, there's no way that you could beat this box. Absolutely frigging amazing. So you're going to get that. You're going to get the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is a highlighter in Sparkle. Super excited to be giving you guys this. I get one for myself and I get one for you guys every single month. And then this is the liquid lipstick. It's absolutely a stunning color because I have it. And then this is the Brow Gal Instant Brow Hair with Microfibers Tinted. Haven't tried that yet, you guys. And I haven't tried the vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt neither. So that is one giveaway right there. So that's one box. Now, I still have not done the giveaway from this BOXYCHARM box, which was from last month, where you'll be getting the brushes, the Vulgar blush, the 3 gel patches, and you will also be getting the Pure palette. You guys, I absolutely love this palette. I am not touching it because it's for you, but you guys, this palette is absolutely freaking stunning. I mean stunning. They really hit the nail on the head with this palette. I don't know what they did, but I absolutely love it. So there are going to be, I have one more box to show you. So there's going to be 2 winners in this giveaway. So you guys, all you have to let me know is this is number 1 box and this is number 2 box. Just leave a comment below letting me know which box you want to win, either number 1 or number 2. And where's my phone? I'm going to announce the winner in 10 days. So just leave a message below. Do you want box number 1 with the ColourPop, or do you want box number 2 with Pure? So this is my BOXYCHARM that I got for myself. Because, you know, if I'm getting you guys something, I got to get myself something. So I got the Elements of Surprise palette, which is absolutely beautiful. I opened this one already. I love the colors. And with ColourPop, you guys, you can't go wrong. Because it's super cheap, super affordable. The pigmentation's there. It's always there. Like, ColourPop never, ever lets me down. Then this is the liquid lipstick you guys will be also getting, because I think they're all the same color. I think everybody got the same color. I'm not sure, but it's absolutely beautiful. It is right up my alley. I love it. And I love the smell. It smells like vanilla. It reminds me of another lipstick, and I don't know which one it is, but it smells really good. Then this is my Tarte in Stunner, the highlighter that you guys will be getting. We kind of got the same boxes except a different palette. And then I got the Instant Light Hair Brow from Brow Gal. And then I got the vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt. Let me tell you something. Dr. Brandt's products are absolutely freaking amazing. Now, I know this is maybe more for oily skin, but it's okay because I'm just going to put it right on here. Bada bing, bada boom, do my pores, and I'm good to go. So that is it for this video, you guys. I just banged out 2 videos in not even 10 minutes, and that's because I love you guys and I miss you so much. And I'm just going to get back in action, and I'm going to do whatever I can, you guys, to keep filming as much as I can. I work full time. I work full time at the end of the day. You guys know how hard it is for me. You guys know that I suffer with anxiety and depression and insomnia. So those 3 things go hand in hand. I am working on it. I am, and I'm going to get to a better place. But all I can do is say thank you guys for being there for me and understanding and still being here for me. That's all I can say is thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. I know when you guys see me out, you think I look like happy all the time and everything else, but I'm really not. I'm really not. But I am working on it. I am working on it. When I do stuff, it keeps me busy. And I try not to think about it. So it just is what it is, you guys. Anxiety sucks. It sucks the frigging life out of you. I don't know how this became into a story time video, which I'm going to do, but I do apologize for bringing it up. But I just thought I'd let you know what I'm going through, because that's how I'm feeling right now. So I just want to say I love you guys with all my heart. I appreciate every single one of you. So just make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you could win this giveaway. Make sure you leave what box you want, either number 1 or number 2. Sorry, I am losing my voice. I'm just so stressed and tired, like literally exhausted. So you guys, I love you. Just remember, please leave a comment. You want box number 1 or you want box number 2. There's no link. There's no nothing. You don't have to run, hop, skip, jump, do this and that to win my giveaway. It's that easy. It's that easy. And also, just try to follow me on Instagram, Makeup by Shay with 2 A's. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.